A really cool feature that we've added to NitroBOM is the ability to kind of selectively break out sub-assemblies into separate reports. So this kind of helps compress things down a little bit on the main assembly views, but also gives you the ability to kind of sub-navigate sub-assemblies within Excel. So how this works is we're just going to do a standard default export of the reports, and then we're going to go and add in some special parameters, and they're actually under, if we expand this legend out, you can see that these two columns are kind of hidden or grouped by default. So I'm going to filter this report, which is the all params report, for all of the assemblies, and we're going to add in this nitro subsheet parameter. So again, this is something that NitroBOM uses and picks up on. So we're going to just import those changes back to those subassemblies, and then we're going to enable something called the apply nitro subsheet parameters. Now, the current state, the kind of the default export is to just include everything. Okay, so this is a little bit tall, a little bit hard to look at. But if you turn this option on and hit the export button, if any of those models have, or assembly models have that parameter set into it, it will automatically break them out into subreports. So you can see here we have these little smaller bill of materials reports of those items. If we go back to our full BOM, you'll notice that it is a much shorter bill of materials, but there's hyperlinks to those specific subassemblies so that you kind of navigate them quickly and easily without having to kind of work with the main structure. And that also goes for the full Sub-BOM too. If you do not need these parameters in here, you can actually kind of just come in and delete them. So if we come in and say, I want to delete this, this, and this, and just simply set the delete flag, and then we actually are just flagging things to be modified, we'll import those changes in, and then we will just simply export it. Now, I have this option set, but it's not going to go and delete the previously exported worksheets. We made that decision just to kind of keep them available. So if you do not need those, it's just a matter of selecting them and deleting them. And as you can see from our original port, we've got our original port data back.